Hello and welcome. In this video, I will show you how to install Packet Tracer on Windows. To install the Packet Tracer, first you need to navigate to the Resource Hub site with the following link. This link will be shared in the description below. So let me go to the link. When you go to this link, you need to log in. And to log in, you can use your email address. If you're not registered, you can register and then you can log in. After you log in, you need to navigate to the Learning Resources part, where you will find Packet Tracer for different OS versions, such as Mac OS, Ubuntu or Windows. Since we are using Windows, I'll be clicking on this one and it will allow me to download. So you can go to the download folder part and then click on Packet Tracer. Once you click on the Packet Tracer software, the installation will start. You need to accept the agreement, click on next, and then click on next where you want to install the Packet Tracer folder. Keep on clicking next and then create a desktop shortcut. Then again install. The installation will take a while. I'll be sharing all those steps in a PDF file where all the steps will be described with the screenshots. That will benefit you guys to make it easier. So once the installation is completed, it will launch the Packet Tracer application. You just need to wait till it finishes. Okay, so it has completed the installation process. You need to click the Launch Cisco Packet Tracer box and then finish. So it will automatically launch the Packet Tracer. So it will ask you the first time when the Packet Tracer opens, it will ask you, would you like to run multi-user when the application starts? You can click no for this question for now. You may get a security message such as Windows security alert. Some advanced features such as multi-user Packet Tracer require network access. However, if you prefer, you can turn off private and public network access. Now you will get a window where they will ask you to select some of the options. Here we will select skills for all. Before you select skills for all, you can also check out one option where you can enable the login active for 3 months. Like, you don't need to log in every time you open the Packet Tracer. So click on skills for all and it will take you to the window where you have to log in. You need to log in the same account which you used. So you have successfully logged in into Packet Tracer, and you can close this tab and the Packet Tracer is available for access. This is how you install the Packet Tracer, and then you can navigate through different routers, switches, PCs, Like if I want to install a router, I will drag it this way. If I want to connect a PC and a switch, I can drag it from the palette. If I want to connect, I can use the connector. So when we start the lab, I'll be sharing all those steps on how to configure the labs in detail. That's it for this session. I hope this was informative for you. Thank you for watching.